MG is back in the spotlight, ready to stir things up once again in the European automotive market. The British-badged, Chinese-owned brand has teased its newest electric vehicle, the MGS5 EV, which is set to debut this spring. This new model is expected to give established European carmakers like Volkswagen and Stellantis a run for their money, continuing MG's aggressive push into the electric vehicle market. The MGS5 EV is designed to replace the MGS EV and promises to bring more to the table in terms of size, style, and performance. At 4,480 millimeters long, the MGS5 EV is notably larger than its predecessor, the ZS EV, which gives it a more substantial presence on the road. It's about 162 millimeters longer than the outgoing model, which makes it a more spacious and attractive option for families looking for an affordable electric SUV. But that's not all. This new electric SUV is built on the same modular scalable platform as the MG4 hatchback, a car that has been receiving rave reviews in Europe and racking up impressive sales figures, especially in the UK. MG has already released the Chinese version of the MGS5, called the ES5, in the home market last October. While details are still scarce for the European release, we can gather some clues from the images and the specs of the Chinese model. From the two teaser images MG released this week, we can see that the rear of the MGS5 EV features a bold LED light bar that seamlessly incorporates the illuminated MG logo, flanked by sleek taillights that wrap around the rear quarter panels. The rear hatch door has a sporty, sedan-style notchback lip above the light bar, and there's even a small integrated spoiler. This modern, yet sophisticated design hints at the premium feel MG is aiming for with the MGS5 EV. In terms of wheels, the MGS5 EV features alloy rims that may remind some of the classic raw-style wheels that were seen on MG's iconic MGB and midget models back in the 1970s. These design cues not only pay homage to MG's rich history, but also give the new electric SUV a sense of continuity, blending retro with modern aesthetics. For those who remember the classic MG models, these wheels add a touch of nostalgia to the new EV. While MG didn't release full specifications for the MGS5 EV, the powertrain options are likely to be similar to those of the MG4. In China, the ES5 is powered by a single-motor, front-wheel drive setup producing 168 horsepower. The MG4 is also available with a higher output 201 horsepower motor, or even a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant, the X-Power, with an impressive 429 horsepower. Expect at least one of these powertrain options to make its way into the European version of the MGS5 EV, making it a versatile option for those seeking different levels of performance. One area where the MG4 received some criticism was its interior, with many noting that the cabin design and materials lag behind its European, Japanese, and Korean rivals. However, MG is promising that the MGS5 EV will offer a more premium cabin experience. This suggests that the company has learned from past feedback and is focused on delivering a better, more refined interior for its customers. While we don't have all the details just yet, the MGS5 EV is expected to feature high-quality materials, modern infotainment systems, and a more luxurious feel than the ZS EV. Price-wise, the MGS5 EV is expected to start at around £32,000 to £34,000 in Europe, positioning it as an affordable yet premium electric SUV for the masses. The smaller ZS EV currently starts at £30,495, so the MGS5 EV's price tag would make it an attractive alternative to other similarly priced electric SUVs in the market. As MG continues to expand its electric vehicle lineup, the MGS5 EV is set to challenge European carmakers and further solidify MG's position as a strong contender in the EV market. With its stylish design, performance options, and premium features, the MGS5 EV promises to be an exciting new addition to the world of affordable electric SUVs.